Okay, so I think today will hopefully be the last or second last session working on this app. There's the main things to do is to finish adding in the photos from this book. There's around like 80 photos, and we've done a lot so far, but still a couple to go. In particular, let's see, modern CSV, photo source license links. We have around 20 more to add. And then once we've done that, I want to visually indicate on this when an incorrect option has been chosen. Like this, for instance, is the gray hair streak, but if I click on the question mark or the meadow flittery, the spice bush, there's no visual indication. And so I'm thinking at this stage just of making the background of each of these buttons like a bit grayer in some way, of making the font color a bit gray when clicked on in this way, and some other kind of visual effect. And then basically after that, there's there will be a bit of admin required. I'll need to tidy up the README and documentation, a bunch of other stuff, but then it will kind of be ready to go. Um, so yeah, I really want to just like finish getting all of the data in, and then we can get back to the more fun aspect of kind of programming and some features. But then it will kind of be done, I think, and which is good because I've got a busy 8 days coming up. So I need to get this done before then. So yeah. Okay. So yeah. So last time we added in monarch and the queen. A couple of others. So it's good. Like we're currently like we're currently this far through the book. Like so, there's only a tiny bit left. The silver spotted skipper, Epagrius clarius. Silver spotted skipper. Asparagus claris. Yep, this one. Where is it? Oh, almost everywhere. Oh, there's some quality images of these. Let's the easy way. Yeah, pretty good. Very good. Pretty good. Very good. Okay, I'm kind of preferring this one. This one we do see the wing detail. This one we see both. Which one? So not this one. Kind of. It's hard. This one I prefer like the larger images, and this one just feels a bit too small. But then this one is at some weird angle. We'll go with this one. This is good. Small version, please. Okay. And we were up to what, 64. Yep. Silver spotted skipper. by who? Derek Ramsey. And did we possibly include a Derek Ramsey before? Yep. Okay. So next up, the long-tailed skipper. Urbanus Proteus. Oh, pretty small page, but this kind of looks, this looks gorgeous. I've never seen something like this. Okay. What else is there? A lot to choose from. Maybe. Oh, yeah, these look great. I think no, possibly, that's really high quality. This one's even better. I like the first one. Very good. Again, very good. Not so much. Not so much. Not so much. Alright. No. No. Yeah. I'm kind of thinking this one, actually. But then, like, the symmetry of this one is so nice. Even if this one has more detail. Let's go with just the highly symmetrical version. So yeah, Urbanus Proteus we don't need feathers to fly. No. Okay. And now we have the northern cloudy wing, Thorbius Pleiades. Northern cloudy wing. This one is not as popular. Okay. A bit blurry. Good. Good. I'm not liking the flash that's on this one. not as good as previous one. A bit blurry. No, none of those. Okay. I'm kind of thinking between these two, this one's actually a bit better, even if it's slightly blurrier. Yeah, I'm thinking this one. Yeah. Go with this. And this is again another, we don't need feathers to fly. And, okay, next up. Juvenal's dusky wing. Arenus juvenalis. Juvenal's dusky wing. Juvenalis, that's what. Okay. Nope. 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 These are really... no. Maybe. Much better. Better. A bit dark. Alright. Too much flash. No, that's alright. No. Okay. I feel like this one is the best quality. Yeah. No, save image as. Arenus juvenalis. Yep. Oh wow, like this, we don't need feathers to fly. It really loves. Like whatever. I wonder how these are related. Like, I find it super curious that it can't be a coincidence that this photographer has made all of like these good quality images in this category. Okay. Next up is the common checkered skipper. Vigorous communis. Common checkered skipper. Common checkered skipper. Common checkered skipper. Yep. Oh, that looks good. Plenty to choose from in this category. Okay, no, possibly, but pretty small. A bit blurry, possible. Thinking no, possible. No, really getting the colors. Yeah, that's pretty. This is pretty good. Not quite. Better. No. 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 Maybe. No. 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 Oh, but this is copyright. And when again, like, people suggest if you're uploading images to Commons, don't put on some like bloody copyright tag. But yeah, it was uploaded to Flickr, so a bit different. The Flickr person didn't know it was ending up here. Okay. Yeah, I feel like it has to be this one. By Christina Butler, who I think we have stuff before. Yep. Okay, next up. The common sooty wing, Felicera catalyst. Sooty wing. Hey, how's it going? SWAT hands. So maybe. Hey, nope. Possible. That's pretty high quality. Get a bit out of focus. Maybe. No. Maybe. I feel like the winner is clear. These ones we do get some of the detail though. But then here we get a lot of the head detail. 69. Catalyst. Who was this by? Another Christina Butler. Okay. So yeah, what are we up to now? The least skipperling and Chiloxipha numator. The least skipperling. Least skipperling. Least skipperling. Yep. Oh, it's curious. I've never actually seen a species. I don't remember a species of butterfly with this distribution before. This is quite curious. I guess it never kind of crossed the mountains there. Is no. There's more photos than this. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's check these out. No, possible. That one's a lot better. No, possible. No. 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 Possible. No. Is this one gonna load? Maybe not. Okay. This one already looks really good. I like that better than this one. This one did decide to load. Yeah, so it's between these two, and look, at least with this one we get some of the color from its like dorsal view, even if this one is slightly more focused. Yeah, we'll go with this one. This one. 70. Oops, what was the genus? The name. And this was by KG Shots. Okay, next up, the European skipper, Thymelius lineola. Yeah, this is the one. Oh, there's some really good quality photos. So this is the featured image. It is really good. Let's check out all of these instead. Yeah, possible. Don't really like that one. Maybe. This is pretty good. This is the best we've seen so far. No. Get some of the wing detail here, but yeah, the winner is clear. Thymelius lineola by Acrotarian. Okay. Yeah, who's this person? Oh, is this Den? Wait, where's this? No. Okay, look. This would be a cool. If this is a train track, is it a train track? I know I'm distracted, but I just wanna. No, it's a road. Lame. Thought it was a train track. Okay. So yeah, next up, the fiery skipper, Hylephilia phaleus. Fiery skipper. Huge choice. I wonder if we can filter this since there's so many. Nah, there's better quality images than those two. Yeah. Okay. I think no, maybe, no. Oh, this if it wasn't for this part, that would be a yes. Possibly, probably not. No. Maybe, no. Maybe, okay. Okay, probably not. I still want to keep that one. Maybe this one's actually one of the better ones. I think of these two, probably that one. This would have been perfect. Wow. Yeah, we really get a lot of the geometry. Let's go with this one. This was by Joshua Meyer. Oh, did we forget? Forgot the title of that one. Oops. Okay, next up, the yellow patch skipper, Polites Peccius. This one, right? Yep. Or maybe. Maybe. Probably not. Oh, that's pretty good. That's not bad either. Alright. Maybe not. Maybe not. Possibly. Okay. Oh, this one we get good detail. I think this one is really good. Oh, this one's really good as well. Out of these three, which one? With these, we kind of see more of the wing structure. So the abdomen. No, I need to go with this one. The quality of this one is too high to pass up. So yeah, who did this one? This was by Judy Gallagher. Okay. So now we got the 20-edged skipper. Polites Themistocles. 20-edged skipper. 20-edged skipper. What's this one? Maybe. That's really good. Not so much. Nope. Nope. Possible. I feel like this one. By these two people. Right. Now it's the woodland skipper, Oclodes sylvanodes. Woodland skipper. this. No. Okay. No. Really good. Pretty good. No. Maybe. This one. This one actually gives you the detail that this one doesn't quite. I feel like it should be this one. By VJ Anderson. Okay. The Northern Golden Skipper, Pony's Hobo Mark. Okay. Let's try the scientific name. Pony's Hobo Mark. Okay, this is the right one. So just the Hobo Mark skipper. Maybe. Nope. 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 Maybe. 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 Okay. I feel like this one is the best. Skipper Hobobuck. That is one way to name something. Oh, another Alan Schreimer. It's been a while since we've used that stuff. Yeah, it's weird they... The broad-winged skipper, Puenes Viator. Broad-winged skipper. Yeah, Puenes Viator. Broad-winged skipper. This is the one. Oh, this one might be hard to choose. So no, that one's actually pretty good. Like eyes. Nope. Nope. Okay. I feel like it has to be this one. That was way easier than I expected. So yeah, Puenes Viator. By by Judy Gallagher. Next up, the Dun Skipper, Euphories Vestris. Yep, this is the one. Okay, maybe. Not so much. No, no, no. Pretty good. No. No, no, no. I mean, the choice is clear. Okay, I mean, I say that, but the colors in this one come out more, even if it's smaller. As in significantly smaller. I feel like this one is actually still fine. Okay, 78. Euphories. Which is right. By Judy Gallagher again. We are getting very close to the end. As in like, that's literally one more to go. This is the last one. The Roadside Skipper, Ambly Scretis Fialis. Roadside Skipper. Apparently not. Ambly Scretis Fialis. Yeah. Are you serious? There's only one photo of this, of it not dad. How could this be the case? It's like, this is quite surprising. So I guess we just have to go with this one. Oh, it's not that great. Actually, where is this? I wonder. I should know where this is, so if I see it, I can take a photo. British Columbia to South Central California. By Aaron Carlson. Okay, and we are done with the kind of the data entries. It's really more like photo selection. Wow. Okay. So let me just check I haven't done anything super dumb and skipped any. So the final one is on page 176. The first butterfly is on page 18. So we need to add 1 to this option, right? To get everything, so there should be 80, and we started at 0, and yeah, 79 minus 0 plus 1 is 80. Great, we got everything. Now we need to do some conversions then. First, let's open up this SCV file in Emacs to make sure some sneaky extra semicolons didn't end up in the file. They kind of did, but not tail end one, so that's okay. And now we need to do conversion stuff. So in particular, we need to convert 64 through 79. Oh, did I not save it? Come on. I could have sworn I saved it. I guess not. This one. This is the highest resolution here. Okay. So yeah, back to photos for conversion. So yeah, 64 through to 79. Yeah, the next time after we ship this, we will think about how to make this process significantly less painful. Thank you, Windows, for just refusing to recognize that that's a file. Touch typing numbers, not that easy. Okay, so now we should have converted everything. So let's get rid of all of the JPEGs. And let's compile this to make sure Magic K is not a compiler. Let's compile this and see that it works. More branches needed. The SCV file is too large, apparently. 114. Let's move it up to 30,000. It's getting cold. What do you need it? Okay. Let's see. So yeah, this should be the. It looks like the Monarch, but it's not. So it's like the Viceroy. Oh, I haven't been practicing this enough. Let's see. Not the little yellow, not the checker spot. Maybe the tortoiseshell? California sister. The meadow fritillary. Okay, no. No, no. So this is the common checkered skipper. Oh, it's not? Oh, it's the white admiral? Okay. No, no. This looks pretty spangled. Okay, this was one we just added in. No. 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 So I guess the long-tailed skipper. It kind of looks like a plane. Like, that is a really cool butterfly. Yeah. This was the olive hair streak. Okay, this is working. So let's save this. Really important. Yeah, it's picked up that that's different. We've added all these photos. How did we change them? Oh yeah, we just increased that. Okay. So I can play this while it pushes it to the cloud. Finished adding photos to the app. Okay, that pushes stuff to the cloud. We will play this game. Okay. Comma. Appellation eyed brown. The woodland skipper. The silver spotted skipper. Oh, the yellow patch. The snout. Not the tiger. Which kind of skipper is this? The tawny edged or the broad winged? Oh, the broad winged. No, no, no. Oh, this is the silver spotted. Hair streak, curly eye, anise, Mormon, cabbage, white. Okay. Let me just do an entire round. Oh, silver bordered flittery. No, no. The plain ringlet. Holly blue. We just added this one. This was the dun. No, no, the morning cloak. This is the brown elfin. Oh no, so the red admiral. Millet's tortoiseshell, silvery blue. No, oh, the pearl crescent. Pipevine, cider orange tip, little copper, variegated, the banded, the buckeye, fiery. This was the European skipper, monarch, checker spot, eastern tailed blue, the queen, clouded sulfur, orange sulfur, giant, tiger, checkered white, little yellow, coral, hair streak. Oh, what's this one? No, this must be this wider mice. I don't know. Northern cloudy wing? Long-tailed skipper. Oh, this is the field crescent. Okay. We should get on some more programming now. So I should actually update the stream info with this. So where's it? Channel. No, where's the dashboard? Is it this one? How do we change the manage stream? Okay, remind me later. Where's the where do we change the? Here it is. Edit stream info. It's no longer net like. So we're saying finishing the. Okay, that has been updated. So now we need to add in the. We need to make it so that when an incorrect option is chosen, that incorrect option is remembered and the rendering is slightly different. Okay, so let's go to render. So yeah, we're going to have to modify this part, obviously. But we'll also need to check out, we need to record when something was incorrect. So how can we do this? I think when we do this process, the input state. Yeah, we'll make some global called what? They're called like incorrect button chosen or something like this. And then update that part when it's clicked and incorrect. Okay, so we're detecting if the correct button was pressed. We want to modify this a bit. So I think we want to just have like a general if button clicked and then maybe inside of that a different if statement. So when do we compute if the button's clicked or not? Max. So yeah, if it's hovering and the mouse is down in the last frame and the mouse is down, it is clicked. Okay. So now we want to say just if the button clicked. Determine if the correct option was selected. And say if. I never know what makes it more readable, if there's a space or no space after these parentheses. Okay, so yeah, so if this is the case, we do all of this stuff. Otherwise, we need to record that incorrect option is chosen. Okay, so then in this part, let's go back to these globals. So it's incorrect option chosen. And let's just make this a fixed array of booleans. We may as well just leave it undefined at this point. Will be every frame will everything will need to be reset to false once the correct option is chosen. Actually, if that's the case, we'll just set it equal to this at the beginning. Okay. So we want to say we need to know what the index was that was chosen. So yeah, we pick up the button clicked index here. So then we want to say I think we just want to set incorrect option chosen now to this. Okay, so then we just need to indicate this visually when we are rendering it. And also, wait, before that, if the correct option was chosen, we need to reset this. So after we update the button options, we want to then do a button clicked index is equal to just like this. There should be some way of doing this in Zig, but this will do for the time. By that I mean some way of just like setting every element in like a fixed array to be equal to the same thing. So yeah, off to the render now, and this isn't button clicked index. It's that. Okay, so now we want to do when we're drawing both the button text and the colors, we need to use this information. So currently we're saying if something's hovering, change it. So why don't we do like button incorrect color? We need to add another color first. So we do like button incorrect color. What's a decent choice here? What other Raylib colors here? Source Raylib .h. We do like gold. You can make it like a beige, maybe. Ooh, we're gonna have to replace all of these with manual colors at the end. We should add this to the to-do list. Replace all Raylib colors with nicer manually specified options. Okay, but back down to here then. So we need to do the we need to use the incorrect color. So why don't we simply set it if if incorrect option chosen, and we're iterating over I, and then if this is true, then this button interior color, we want this to be the incorrect to be this. Okay, I think that should be it. We're not doing Odin run dot, we're doing zig build. Doesn't like beige, understandable. It's not the best color in the world. Okay, so this is, if someone were to think this is the Baltimore Checkermore, and damn, it's not changing color. Unlucky. Not working. So probably something going wrong with this incorrect options. So let's see what we're doing with these. So yeah, so if we press this button, why don't we debug print the thing that's going wrong, or rather what it is that we wanted to set. Okay, so it actually is recording these options, and it seems to be doing it correctly. So what then is going on? Are we going over the color in the render? You know, clearly if you want to change a color, you just say set the color equal to the same to itself. That's what you have to do. Oh, yeah. Okay. So let's say we were a noob and thought this was the orange sulfur. Okay, this is working. It is recording the incorrect options chosen. Okay. So in addition, we want to fade the color of the font face, and I think we also want to still have a selection color, like a hover color, but now we really want two hover color. We want like hover over the unselected and then a hover over the incorrect option. Okay. Okay, so let's then, we're gonna have to choose another color for that. Why don't we go with, say, like brown as something temporary? And then for the hover, we need to make this a bit more specific. So button hover, instead of button hover color, maybe button unselected, or no, button hover color unselected, and then button hover color incorrect, and then button fill color unselected, light gray, and then button fill color incorrect, beige. Okay, let's go back to the render and use these. So, for the drawing the button colors, like currently this, I feel like this code is a bit, even just like a bit too messy, and I just want to make like the logic flow of it really clear. And I'm just thinking how best to do that now. So, like, you know, I would just switch on this, but I think in the switches kind of need to be constant in Zig in some way, or at least no, yeah. I think we can just have like two nested ifs, and that should be fine. Okay, so we'll do if the button is hovered. is it? Yeah, I think it's easier to understand the control flow if we do actually. So the option is either have this and then have an if and then change it, or simply. Yeah, we'll actually go with that, since this way we don't have to worry about like defining this thing outside of it. So yeah, if we're hovering, make it the hover color, and then if it happens to be the case that the incorrect option has been chosen, then we instead want to hover this interior color. We instead want to make this the button hover color, unselected, color incorrect. Okay, and then if it's not hovering, we want to set the interior color to button fill color unselected. However, if it happens to be the case that it has been selected as incorrect, we want to change this to button fill color incorrect. Okay. Let's give this a spin then. Undeclared identifier, button field color. Yeah, because we want this to be the unselected version. So yeah, say someone thought this was the fiery skipper. This should be a different color. Oh, okay. That would explain it. If you want it to have a different color, you need to actually choose it to be a different color. Yeah, okay. This is like, warning, you've already selected this. Stop being silly. And yeah, this one is the White Admiral. Okay. So almost done with getting this functionality in then. We just need to dim the font color. I think we might actually want to dim the border color too, possibly. We can give it a go. So, yeah, let's go down to the font part of the render, then draw a button text. So again, we have this button option font, but we want to change this. Button. Oh, actually, no. We need to create some new color variables. Okay, what should we call it? Maybe like unselected font color. Oh no, that's not a good name. Maybe just default font color. maybe default option color, default option text color, or maybe just option text color default. I think this is better. So we've done these buttons. So option text. Okay, and by default, we want this to be black. Then we need a new one. So we can say option text color incorrect. And why don't we make this one maybe just gray or light gray? We do light gray. Not sure why we're saying text color here is gold. What exactly is gold in this app? Build it again, just for it. Yeah, where are we exactly are we using this one? Okay, we can get rid of that. So back to the render part. We'll need to check if we need to do like another if. So we want to say if incorrect option chosen. If this is so, if it is. Doesn't matter what are we doing. If we choose the incorrect version, write that with the incorrect text, otherwise write it with the correct text. So now we want option text color incorrect. Okay, let's check that this is working. Oh no, this is like, hang on, this is a really lousy way to do the code. We can do significantly better. We want to say, we just want to say text color is equal to option text color default, and then we simply want to say if it's the case that if it's the case that this is in this is the variable. If it's the case that the incorrect option is chosen, update it. We want this instead to now be the option text color incorrect. Okay, this is so much better. Okay, and now here we just want this to be the text color. Okay. Yes. So yeah, so if I choose the wrong one, it fails a bit, which is good. Okay, looking at this now again, I think I want dark gray instead of the light gray here. Even though it's just temporary, it's good to just set these things, I think. Okay, and now let's also try fading the border color of the option if it's incorrect. Okay. So first, instead of making this light gray, let's make this dark gray. And then we want to adjust the border color. So where do we do the first? Okay, so this is the background one. So yeah, we need to change the border color. So likewise, why don't we just do button border color unselected, and then button border color incorrect. And what should we make this here? Maybe make this light gray or something approximating that. Okay. So likewise, we can just say border color is equal to button border color default unselected, and then if incorrect option chosen, right, switch this up. The border color will now be the button border color incorrect. Okay, let's check that now. Oh yeah, and so now when we're drawing this, we just want to call that the border color. Yeah, I prefer this difference in the color now changing. Okay. Let's save this so far then. Yeah, added, made the buttons appear different if selected and incorrect. Okay. Let's see. I want to sit down for a bit. So let's transition. Okay. So, now let's choose a nicer color scheme and lock this in to the app. Okay, what's the best way to do this? Yeah, what are some general techniques for just getting some color scheme if you don't want to do it from like the ground up? We could try the internet. There's something called like lo-fi color palettes. I think, yeah, this one, like low spec. I think this is what. So this is what I was thinking of. Mm, mm, mm. And I kind of want some grayish one. No, gallery. This is what we want. Let's say like max. And max 8 colors. I think there are no more. What's this? Like, this is Wordo.com. What even is this? What random JavaScript is this? I mean, honestly, just like sometimes grayscale colors like this are the easiest and the best. Oh, this one? Maybe this one. This one could be okay. If we choose the moon category. Or rather the moon tag. Okay. Hey, we should try some of these. Okay, so okay, what's the way of we're not going to try this by hard coding these, launching the app and then checking it out. That would take way too long. Let's instead let's take a screenshot of this instead, and then can play with it that way. So like snipping tool, yeah. Select this. Okay, and then snipping tool now copies text from images. And AI can scan your image. Like, I'm not. No. Let's do. Where are we? Let's like do like temp, color, theme, selection, and then we'll just do like example one. Okay. So maybe we can just use like Paint to kind of try this out. So kind of do like import to canvas from a file. This thing. Okay. And now we want to test out some different colors on this. These 4 colors look a bit too limited, to be honest. I kind of We'll get rid of this one. Kind of want to test these ones. What's the shortcut for picking the color from the canvas again? It's like Power Toys or something. Yeah. And in this, actually, no, okay, no need for this. No need for this. This is the easiest. I might take that back. Yeah. We have one easy way of doing it, but maybe this Power Toys option will work too. What is it again? It's like color picker. Here it is. Windows Shift C apparently. Yeah, this is what I want. Okay. Oh, we get the name without even needing to copy it. So this one. Copy. Is there any other way of doing it? Microsoft, come on. Can you really not make a like color editing app that doesn't crash? Come on. This is so pathetic. So pathetic. Microsoft, like, come on. Okay, if this happens again, we'll have to like browse for a different kind of an alternative to paint. So is it Shift C is what we want. Okay, so why don't we just like load all of these into the memory of this thing. Okay. Okay, so now we can just copy them at will. Okay. Let's try this again. Let's save it this time because maybe we overran some buffer since it was holding it in memory. Palette 1. Let's test 1. Okay, Serenity now. So if we copy this over, oh, can we add it here? Okay, that looks like that saved that. Oh, come on. How do I get that there? Do I have to press the plus button? Yes, apparently. Add. Add. And then finally this one, which we added at the beginning. Okay, so then, yeah, there's 8 colors in this palette, and we've got the 8 colors here. Great. So now, they seem to be here. Okay. So now I can try. So for a background color, what if we tried this one? Is this like the bucket? Just give me the bucket, please. Yes. What if we tried this one for light gray? Yeah, that could work. And this one for black. Well, I'm a bit confused in that I don't see the 8 colors here. I see 6, but we chose 8. Like, where have these gone? Like, what's the layout here? Like, can I see these somewhere else here, please? I guess we just need to choose them. Okay. Okay, so we should choose like a highlight color. So maybe this like yellowish instead. What does this look like? It's a bit too similar to this other gray. Yeah, this doesn't, it's not enough. At least, okay, at least with this one, we could really choose like this light blue for like a hover color. We'll give this one a go. What are these? No. Can I adjust the size of this? Are you serious? Okay, I shouldn't yet complain because we can't yet adjust the size of my app, but we will. We plan to. Okay. This one. This one. This one. Got one of those wrong. This one. This one. This one. This one. Okay. So let's see. Add. 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 And then these lighter ones. Okay. Let us experiment with these. So, it's so annoying that like these custom colors just don't appear on this. Like, do I need to make this like? Oh, come on. Okay, is there like a history with this? If I select all of them, are they going to appear? Nope. Whatever. Okay, so let's try use this one for the highlight color. Oh. Okay, this is at least a good shortcut. Pressing spacebar brings up that. That's what I want. And not anymore. Okay, so yeah, that one could work as a highlight color. And then for some of the other grays, what could be a background gray? Maybe this one. Yeah, this would work. Just this eyedropper tool. What's the shortcut for it? I? Yeah, that would work. And then we need to choose an option for kind of an incorrectly selected option. Actually, let's do the more of the basics. Actually, the background. Not a huge. This is a bit too blue for my liking. Maybe this one. That one's better. Okay, so we want this one. What about this one? Nah, it's too much of the same. And yeah, just to check them all again. Nah, this one's too dark. So yeah, this one for the option for the background. This one for default. It's a bit dark. But then is this one too similar? No. Okay, this works. Okay, so then these two for default unselected and then hovered, but not incorrect. And then what do we do for an incorrect option? I kind of want to use an ugly color, so we could actually use one of some of these. Too brown. What about this one? Possible. No, that's like too obvious in a way. We could do this one. This is possible. We would just need to make the text color here a bit lighter. That's all. We should also do some like testing the text color. So if we do testing, let's make this massive. Can I move this now? No, it's just a PNG. So yeah, these two that we want. Well, actually, looking at it again, I think yeah, I don't like that one. These ones are a bit better. And then one of like the border fill colors for the incorrect option. What should we pair these with? What about this one? Why do I keep on selecting the same one? This is a bit embarrassing. This one. Wait, what? Are these colors so similar to one another that you can't really distinguish between them? Oh yeah, okay, so I can just barely see that now, but it looks like a shadow. Um, Maybe that's actually alright. Yeah, like I think if the border, like the border hasn't actually disappeared, but it almost looks like it has, so then it's kind of indicating this isn't an option anymore. Okay, we'll go with this. Um, but let's just make a rectangle with this color. Okay, can't do this in paint. Apparently. Eyedropper this, paste it here. Okay. So yeah, save this test and we need to like choose a faded color for the text as well. What would be a faded color to go with this? Okay, let's take. Come on, isn't it? Okay, I'm just slightly annoyed that pressing the middle scroll mouse button doesn't allow me to scroll this. Anyway. Okay, so let's try. What if we chose? Like, it needs to be visible. Like, the title needs to be visible, but not. Not like super visible. You can definitely read text like that on it. What about this one? What if we just made it that? Slightly lighter? No. Contrast is needed. This could work. Not gonna lie, I want it to be a bit grey though. Okay, so what if we did desaturate it a bit? Barely noticeable. Well, maybe actually just trying it with. What about this color? No. No way. No way. Maybe this is actually the best now. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Cool. Okay. So I think then these are our colors for the app then. If the text isn't white or black, it's this like grayish, and then we get these. Yeah, we get all these colors. Okay. Let's hard code these. What's this? Yes. Exit full screen, please. Dude, Windows can't even make pixel editing apps like this without them crashing constantly. I don't understand it. Where's like where's the easy option to figure out how to like terminate something? Oh, has it? Okay. I guess all of the stuff is being deinitialized, even though the operating system from within the app, even though the operating system can do that. Okay, so now we want to go to this color theme selection. We also need to record where we got these color themes from. We'll do that later. So yeah, if ran iView test one. Okay, this is what we want. So yeah, so let's define these colors then. The colors to let's copy these URLs now and then figure out the documentation later. We can do who this was by. Created by Skilla Thompson. And this one is by that one AI guy. Okay. Ended that. Okay. So here we want to we need to give these colors, these names. Get rid of all of these. We want a black. We want a white. And then we want 2 different shades of light blue. So why don't we say light blue 1 or something, and then light blue 2. This will be fine. We're in control of this app. We know how it works. And then for the incorrect options, we want whatever this is. Why don't we just call it purple 1 and purple 2? And annoyingly, we need to just pressing like double control does this now, which is we're gonna have to disable it soon. And then yeah, we want this. We want a dark gray for this one, and then is that it? I hope so. I think so. Oh no, there's the background color as well. So we actually kind of need 2 dark grays. This one and dark gray 2. Okay. Now let's start replacing these with. Hang on. I want to disable this power twist stuff as soon as possible. So clearly these blacks are just like 0, 0, 0s, and these are the 255, 255, 255. For these light blues, light blue 1 is like, let's do this by having like 1 is like the lighter version and 2 is the darker version. So this one is what, 195. We can just copy it. This this is the darker version. And then for the purples, we've got this one. And then that one. And then for the dark grays, it's yeah, this one and the background one. So this one, and then this one. Okay. Okay, this should be enough. Okay. So now we need to disable these power toys. How do we do this? So okay. Where's like the off? How do we turn this off? Where is the kill switch for this? Let's not do this at startup. Where's the disabling this? Do I need to uninstall it? Like I don't want this to happen when I press Control twice. It's annoying. Why is there not a button here that says disable? Come on. Do I have to like disable each of these? Come on, I just want a global disable feature, please. Please. No, this is convenient way to keep your PC awake. No. No. Crop and lock allows you to crop a current application to a smaller window or create a thumbnail. We've been dealing fine without that. No. This we do want. No. No. Image resizer, no. No. I already have utility called map caps lock to control. Don't need that. No. No. Oh, good grief. That's not. No. I mean, okay. I kind of do want this on actually. I don't know why this is not the default. This should be the default. No. 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 Okay, that's off. Good. No. Okay. This better not screw up my Emacs. Okay. Let's now. Yeah. So now we need to figure out how to deal with this. This relib stuff. So let's see. See literal color. What's the definition of color in relib? We want how could we find this out? Actually, it may be okay if we like I'm pretty sure it's just rl.color. and then you just pass it 4 bytes. I think that is all it is. Well, yeah, here it is. 241. Yep. Okay. So with that in mind, then I guess we just want all of these to be. We just need to like paste in the appropriate thing. Okay, and then we want to do a macro for this for the rest. So, record macro. rl.color this 255. Go back and down. Oh dear, not what went wrong. Color. I bet it's to do with Emacs indenting stuff. And then okay. Stuff hasn't collapsed yet. Let's align these. Should have space between each of these. Okay. So now, so what did we choose these things as? So the background color was the dark gray one, I think. And then the unselected border color should just be black. The incorrect border color should be the second of the purples. Purple 2. The button fill color unselected. This was like light blue 2. The hover color unselected was light blue 1. The button hover color incorrect was oh, did we even choose this? I don't think we did. Oh wait, maybe we did, and it was this one. It was the light gray. It was the dark gray 2. Dark gray 2. And then the fill color incorrect was the purple 1. The text color default is black. And the text color, if it was incorrect, is what? Maybe this is the one we wanted to be the dark gray 2. Yeah, I'm not sure we sorted that one out. Maybe we can leave this as dark gray too and see what it's like. Let's give this a spin then. So we want to do zig build. Undeclared identifier, dark gray. 352. Oh. Curious that we weren't using background color. There. Oh, come on, are you serious? How are we going to initialize this since Raylib can't figure it out? Why don't we just write a separate function called return Raylib color where we just do it. So let's call this like RLC for Raylib color. I want to do rl.color with Raylib color. Okay. So let's just do Raylib function. Raylib color is something that takes in the red, green, and blue values and returns something of the form raylib.color, and we just want to say that the Raylib color is equal to the thing with RGBNA, where R is something, where R is equal to this, where the green is equal to the green, the blue is equal to the blue, and the opacity is 255. And then we are just returning RL color. I'm using like a new chair, so it's a bit. The chair's kind of interacting in some non-positive ways with my arms. Okay. Let's give this a spin. I guess it wants these instead. Two, 525. 527. Oh yeah. Kind of need to delete stuff. Macro time. Nearly. These are meant to be curly parentheses. So let's replace all of those with this. And then let's replace all of these ones with this one. Okay, try again. Cool. Yep, some subtle color highlights here. And if we choose an incorrect option, I'm happy with how that's faded. That looks good. I kind of want a different hover color if it's incorrect. If we actually need that at all, like maybe it's better to not choose any hover color. Yeah, I don't want this to change. If it's incorrect, there shouldn't be any hovering happening. Okay, let's save this. Wait, what has changed? We want to add the main.zig, and who cares about everything else? Chose final-ish color. Yeah, let's push this. Okay. So yeah, changes to the hovering stuff then. So color. So we should say these colors are from the colors below have been selected from two color themes from the color themes ST8 Moonlight and Gloom 8 by Skill Thompson and that one AI guy, respectively. Themes are available from on lowspec.com at wait, who is who again? Respectively. Okay. Actually, let's just check if there's anything else we need to say if we're using these. Join Patreon to remove ads, or just use no scripts, and then just block the ads. That's the easy way to do it. Okay. What are the terms and conditions. Is this what we need? I mean, like, you know, in some sense, just like selecting what, like 6 colors. This is public domain basically. It's fine. Okay. So yeah. Back to render. We want to change the hover color. Oh, okay. So actually, we don't really need to change the logic of this. We kind of should though. Since we can simplify it. So, if we're hovering over the button, if it's incorrect, we actually just want this to be the fill color incorrect. Can I not do reverse search? Yes. And then we can get rid of this one. I mean, we can get rid of this one. Okay, and I'm feeling hungry, so I might, yeah, like, this feels so much better, like, app-wise. You can still click it, but it's now out. I guess that must be the olive hair streak. This is comma, black eye, oh, oops, the golf fritillary. Is the satire? Spangled. Oh, this was recent edition. Cloudy Wing. Another recent edition. The common checkered skipper. Harvester. Question mark. Spice bush. Okay, things are working. So yeah, removed hover like incorrect option, hover color change. Okay, and then I think we can actually just remove this temporary color thing then. Okay. Now what to do? Done that. We've chosen better colors. Yeah, we've done that. We kind of do need to do this detailed README, especially about the photo license. I'm feeling the food. Maybe after dinner we'll do this. But for the moment, I'm happy. I'm happy with how this app is shaping up. Like, this is looking pretty complete to me. I don't know what else I want to add to this. Now we've got all the images in here. The color scheme is decent. At least one I'm happy with. This is the coral, the banded history. Maybe the font. One more thing we can do. We want to make the size of this window adjustable. So for instance, I could make it full screen on my 4K monitor. Let's do this before we need to get rid of this debug info as well. Before I call it for the current session. What was this other one? Comp time standard debug. There's so much to clean up. Okay. What I really want to search for is that debug. This one. Okay, and then let's consult the internet, I suppose. How do I make a Raylib window have adjustable size? LLM, tell me the answer. Maybe we check this. So maybe check is window resized. Like, I'm sure it's some flag that we need to pass in when we do the init window. But maybe not. So window state if resizable. How can we make it resizable? For flag window resizable. Okay. Flag window resizable. Flag window resizable. So what's this in? 536. Yeah. System/window config flags. Every bit registers 1. Okay, so we want to do this one. And how exactly do we set this? Maybe okay, this one is this is the one that's calling glfw, and this one too, I guess. If core.window flags. Okay, so how do we set these? How do we set these window flags? Is window state, or like set window state? Yeah, I guess this is what we want. Only platform desktop. Okay. So I guess we just pass in. We just call this with flag window resizable. Okay. So, okay, what is... Let's see if we go to the main, when we actually set up the window. Do we call this before or after? We can just test it. Set window state. Maybe we need to set this before. So set window state, and then we say raylib dot flag window resizable. And try it this way. Let's see if this works. Assertion failed. Window is not equal to null. Okay, let's try and do this after we init the window. If this fails, we might consult the internet how to do this. Hey, this is working. Great. Okay. And so now we need to, everything is basically dynamic. It's just that the updating this by measuring the screen size we left as a to-do requirement. So now we do that to-do requirement. Okay. Where is it? We need to, so every frame we need to, here it is, adjust these when the window size can be adjusted, which is what we're doing now. So we need to obtain the screen width and the screen height. So there's something called get screen width. There it is. So these return integers. We're going to have to do some conversions, but whatever. So we want to do arraylib.get screen width. Right. Yep. And then get screen height. This will cause a compile error since these we need to do like float from in. I think this is the conversion. Let's give it a go. Come on. Okay, so now let's make this wide. Aha, it's working. It's dynamically changing. Great. Look at this, high quality stuff. The font size here is not changing though, which makes sense because of the way that we're manually setting these. It's curious that this is dynamically changing though. So maybe we should make this dynamically change. Yeah, I feel like we should. Like the annoying thing with, okay, since we're just doing something really basic when it comes to the font, we're not recomputing we're not reloading the font to be a nice size every time we readjust the window. Maybe we should actually do this. Because if we did, we could then, okay, we need to like detect when the window size has changed, but if we could, then we could stop all of this like pixelation that's happening with it. But like this is okay for the moment though. And also too, if I just run this app on my own system at 1080p, then it's okay. But anyway, yeah, let's adjust the font height, because this needs to be adjusted. And yeah, way, very long time ago, I said this would be a problem if people made it too thin, but it seems to be working otherwise. Okay. So yeah, font size adjustment. So yeah, let's go to the render section and let's see how we're currently rendering the button text. After we draw the button colors, we then draw the text, and oh, it looks like we've manually decided on the height to be 50. This should be dynamic. Any of these other globals text? No. So why don't we say I was going to call it button text height, but we definitely have other text height UI globals. At least I thought we did. How are we doing the heights in this section? We're saying attribution height and attribution width. Okay. Oh, and we declared in line here. Okay. I feel like these should be globals. Okay, so why don't we say or maybe just the first one. So if we have button spaces, so we have like text heights. And then we'll just make this undefined. And then we want to have now the button text height. Also make this undefined. And then down here, instead of choosing something to be 50, you want to say the button text height is equal to like 0. We want to do this in terms of the button width actually. So we want to say maybe half of the button width height. Just button height, I suppose. And then choose that instead. Okay, let's try this. 99. Snake wedges at 32s. Okay, and so now it scales. Like the text looks like crap when it's this scale, but it's working. Okay, so yeah, so let's now do some yes, let's load the font so that at least at default settings it's okay. So so the button, what is the button width default? Why do we calculate this? Uh, 0.4 of the screen width. So if when we launch it, it's 1080. That's the size of the button. So we want to be importing the font at 216 height. So where do we do that? This one, I think. 216. I mean, we can get rid of so many other things. Yeah, we can get rid of this one. Keep it separated. Where's the app? Oh no, the font still looks a bit pixelated. Why? I'm assuming the button height is the height of the blue part, and the border was added on. I can't exactly remember how that part happened. Let's at least check that. Oh no. Okay, but even so, this shouldn't really make a difference. Wait, what? I didn't get it. What's wrong? Maybe it's something to do with just multiples of the font itself. I mean, it's like the internal multiples. You can try. So what are these? Man, it should be. All of these are just defined by the quadratic curves and linear curves, so and maybe cubic. So it should be. I'm not seeing the issue. And anyway, 216 is this multiplied by 3 anyway, so yeah, so I'm not getting it. Why is this failing at 216? I guess we can do some experiments. Like, what happens, does it need to be this high? If we just set it to 72. What does it look like? Yeah, that looks significantly worse. What if we like do something crude and multiply this by 2? Would this make it slightly better? No, not really. Why don't we ask the internet? How do I make text in RayLib less accepted? I don't exactly want to use a different font library. Oh, what's okay, if what's this font atlas going on in the background? Okay. This is old documentation though. This is a long time ago. Okay, why don't we just do something crude and load this at like 4 times the necessary size? And like it seems slightly better when it was at twice the size, so maybe that will work out. We can see. No, it still looks rubbish. Oh, I was looking. I was getting the 0.4 from here instead of here. Unbelievable. Okay, now we know what the problem was. Okay, so really we should be working with half of 108. So we should be doing 54. But really any multiple of 108 would be fine. Embarrassing. Okay, let's try this now. Embarrassing. Okay, it looks slightly better, but still a bit. There's a bit of weird pixelation. Let's set this to 54. Yeah, like that looks good to me. This stuff could be better, but at least these are now decent. And yeah, if we increase them, the pixelation shows. Which one? Better default text and pixelated later, or one that will scale appropriately? I mean, I'm happy with this. This is alright. Maybe the W there looks a bit weird, but that looks okay, and this looks pretty good. So, okay, I'm gonna call it here. Thanks to everyone who stopped by and said hi. And yeah, let's save this. And it's changed. Yeah, we made the window resizable, and made window resizable, and made font made a slight adjustment to the font. Okay, yeah, thanks everyone again, and probably after dinner, I'll be feeling ready to do more documentation stuff and upload this. But we'll see. If not tonight, then tomorrow. Bye-bye.